COVID-19 awareness program held in Thong Nok Bay English High School. Good morning, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live Morning News with your host Bon Kilingpi. And now the news in detail. With an aim to educate public on COVID-19 safety habits, an awareness program was conducted at Thong Nok Bay English High School in Number Adarsha Rongkithe. The program, which began on June 5, came to end on July 20.
The closing day of the awareness program was attended by health educator of MPHC Balipathar Gita Sangma, ICDS Bokajan Supervisor Nilima Nora, Assistant Inspector Excise Rabindra Timung, SGB Jagannath Singh Bay, ANM Somila Devi Mobela, Health Worker Senso Bay, Social Worker Thiram Bay and others. The entire awareness program was conducted by the Health Department in association with the Adarsa Circle Integrated Child Development Service Center 30. The initiative taken by the Bokajan Civil Hospital was aimed at encouraging the public to vaccinate themselves. With vaccination being the safest way to fight COVID-19, the health workers urged the public not to believe in the rumors spread by various means which claim that vaccines are not safe. Health workers say that vaccines are safe and more people should be vaccinated as fast as possible. Positive response have been seen from the program as those areas which has been very poor vaccination rate had not begun to register more numbers of vaccine doses being utilized every day. Subhas Tirang from Langchathing, Karbi Anglong Live.
The Twin Hill districts of Karbi Anglong have become synonymous with lack of basic facilities and infrastructure, and the indifference of the government has added to the woes of the people. And people of 25 Nilip Development Block are hit by the erratic water supply due to continued failure of PHE officials in carrying out their duties.
The local PHE was constructed 30 years back to solve the water crisis in Koilamati area, where only 25 to 30 families had benefited from the water supply scheme. However, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council launched the Jal Jeevan Mission scheme this year. A contractor identified as Rahul Saha secured the contract for laying down the water pipe to increase coverage and provide household connection of water supply up to 120 families. Unfortunately, the household water supply did not go as planned as beneficiary families started receiving rubbish, mud and water full of sand as rainfall hit the area. And most importantly, water supply became blocked due to dirt, which has hit the people of the area as they stopped receiving water for 2 to 3 days. Locals told reporters that the 3 staff appointed are not carrying out their duty, alleging that the public have been forced to go to the site and fix any problem they find in order to prevent it from complete damage of the water supply problem. Meanwhile, locals have urged upon the concerned officials and department to notice of the water supply issue and also perform their duty in the greater interest and welfare of the people of the area. Samson Ingtis report from Koilamati for Karbi Anglong Live. Dikrut sarpo aboha nanglitum anam jum hekpen chumesen ahanaan long ichi ladak nanglitum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long ponichi. Son among laki hantu mehek kangmol kalangdang hanserangahan hipi kipi chutney dumke karlu phag ok kiup phag ok slice fry phag ok kipi phag ok kimung lang ok kiup lang ok fry vo ok kimung vo ok han lapenan parta VIP AC room longponengchi. Komania hemjongsi birthday party pangri pangdona mai lapen kaprek gacha megalongta nangji pulote long ichi. Aprang pen kepathi ke jiaphan 8761-940-579 lapen 9365-239-862 along Humri Lote Longponichi. Lapen Ning Chibi Ikha Ajo ke Sangja par Saisetami Ingdeng Hini Asiang Deng Ingpu Poniglo. Dikrut Sarpo Aboha Adim Lake Dong Mokak Karbi Anglong.
There has been increasing number of road mishap along the National Highway 36 road ever since the road was completely repaired, and the numbers of accidents have become a cause of great concerns among the people who live near the National Highway. In an accident that occurred along the National Highway 36 on Wednesday, one speeding Innova GI car bearing registration number S01AG4427 went out of control and fell down to the pond by the roadside. The accident occurred at 14 Mile under Dilai Police Station. According to Dilai Police, the car which was involved in the accident was one of the several cars which had came from Langbuku waterfall. Police suspects that the reckless bikers and drivers were racing on the road and resulted in the accident. Fortunately, no casualty had been reported. The injured persons were taken to the hospital under the authority of Dilai Police Station. In another accident which happened on Thursday, a Swift Desire car also veered off the road and fell to the roadside ditch. Luckily, the driver escaped with minor injuries. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. In a fire accident that occurred on Thursday, the rubber smokehouse of Longkiri Lekte was gutted, resulting in heavy loss to the owner. Here is more from our correspondent. Longkiri Lekte is a rubber farmer from Upper Dokmukas, Simon Lekte village. His smokehouse caught fire at around 5 p.m. in the evening. The accident occurred at a time when Longkiri was hoping to receive a good profit from the sale of his harvest. He had kept large quantity of rubber sheets in the smokehouse for drying while he was busy cleaning rubber on the other side of his farm. Unfortunately, more than 2 quintals of his rubber sheets had turned to ashes. Summer being the toughest times for farmers in Karbi Anglong and the corona pandemic adding to difficulties, Longkiri is now worried to meet the needs of his family as his hopes for a good earning had been devoured by the fire. Feeling helpless, Longkiri urged upon the KACC M. Tuliram Ronghang and Agriculture Department EM Amar Singh Tiso for a little compensation so that he could arrange for his new smokehouse and also feed his family.
Dak Upper Dokmukas Simon Lekte Kangbura Sopo Matiklo. Dak meki robang ke pu smokehouse smoke pi bom la plus hala puta nile tum rubber washing kuri bom mahapu washing kuri bom mahala pu celang rong amat lapu bang meki cuci thek dunong le dalo
one bag na hok dilo
kontel hini above minimum 30,000
nanti ladak la devakan si suchon ma mante kapre hormu tada kisu kon diglo
kapre hormu ke jola ke e titikia son do hipi rong ni do lahaya ahan tharbo pharwa do lobong tin la total plus kurisi 30,000 above lo chohangke daga em cm tular mong hang fanda kirap chohang lo nang rap sonte non kisung opor nile tum joy ki joy wan po
Sam singing tea from Dongmukak for Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.